I like being out in my mobility scooter, I know that one. It's like freedom, just get me out of here. Oh, I was never going to have one. Oh no, I wasn't having one, and then I could see the sense of it, and it didn't take my daughter long to talk me into it. I would just have to be at home or rely on the family to do things. So yes, it's great. It's being able to do things by myself. It certainly opens up freedoms that I'd lost. Do things like that I wouldn't be able to do easily. Doing anything for the grandson was getting harder and harder. Even to go down to school things when he was at school. My daughter talked me into getting a mobility scooter, parked out the front of here and chose one from the car. Whole new world opened up. We chatted at length with the sales, and they are always really helpful and friendly. I would advise people that think they need it to try it. You can't tell until you've tried it, I think.